Okay, welcome to part 2 of the nuclear reactions series. This time we're going to look at the small particles that are emitted during a radioactive decay. And the first one we're going to look at is an alpha particle. Alpha. The symbol that we use for alpha is a sort of, looks like a bit like a little fish swimming to the left if you've got a bit of imagination. It actually comprises 2 protons and 2 neutrons. So if we consider this to be a proton and another proton, and let's get a different colour here. This looks rather fetching, and we've got 2 neutrons. So that would make up an alpha particle. And using the notation that we used before, then this would be an alpha particle, and the bottom number, let me get my wee pointer, the bottom number that went down in this area here, remember, if you recall, it was the number of protons. So we've got 2 protons, so the number that goes down there would be 2, and then we had the number up in this area here, which was the number of protons and neutrons added together. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number that goes up there would be 4. Okay, so that would be an alpha particle, 2, 4. And if we consider, what element would this be? Which element has got 2 protons? And that's actually helium. So another way to write this is helium 2, 4. Both of those would be alpha particles. Alright? So I think that's everything I need to tell you about alpha particles. So the charge, if it's got 2 protons, then each proton has got a charge of +1. So the charge on an alpha particle would be +2. Alright, +2. Okay.